In this video, you will learn how to install Zotero connector and how to set it up in Zotero. What is Zotero connector? Zotero connector is a browser extension that allows users to save references directly from websites into Zotero. Instead of manually entering citation details, the connector automatically extracts metadata from websites and databases. Chrome is usually recommended, but it should work on other browsers as well. Do note that it might not work with some websites and databases, and while the connector can pull full text PDFs into Zotero, this may also not work in some instances. In any case, make sure to always check the accuracy of the references. Before installing Zotero connector, ensure that you have Zotero Desktop installed. We highly recommend creating a Zotero account. You can download various versions depending on your operating systems and preferred browsers. Please head on over to the www.zotero.org/download to install both Zotero Desktop and Zotero Connector. Click on Install Chrome Connector or click on Zotero Connectors for other browsers to find the version compatible with your browser. This is how it looks like when you click on Install Chrome Connector in a Brave browser. The extension will look similar across the different browsers. Click Add to have the extension installed in your browser. A notification will appear to let you know that Zotero connector has been added. If there's no notification, you can view your extensions to confirm. Do note that you would need to have your Zotero desktop open while using Zotero connector. Now let's try using the Zotero connector to retrieve reference for an online news article. Click on the Zotero connector icon on the top right corner of your browser. Switch to your Zotero desktop. The reference will appear in the active library. In the rightmost pane, you can see that information has been populated. In the case of this article, the full text has also been pulled into Zotero Desktop. What about journal articles and databases? After you have found a relevant article for your research, once again click on the Zotero icon in the top right corner of your browser. The reference will be added to your Zotero Desktop. Launch Zotero Desktop and look at the active library. The article has been saved here. Information is available on the right pane. Please make sure the information is accurate. If we scroll further down in the right pane, we can see that this article has also been pulled into Zotero Desktop. While both the examples today have PDFs pulled in, please remember that it is not a guarantee for all full-text PDFs to be pulled into Zotero Desktop. Let's try with Google Scholar. Google Scholar has returned a list of articles. To save these references, click on the Zotero connector icon in the top right of your browser. Unlike online news articles and journal articles on databases where the references are immediately populated into Zotero Desktop, a list of available results are shown here in Google Scholar. Select your articles and click on OK. Switch to your Zotero Desktop. You will be able to see the new references in the active library. Isn't it easy to use? Do keep in mind that Zotero Connector may not work on every website or database. While full-text PDFs are often imported automatically, this is not guaranteed for all sources. Most importantly, to avoid citation errors, always verify the imported reference information before using it in your work. And don't forget to have your Zotero desktop open while using the Zotero connector. If you need help, please write into us. Good luck!